Determine the nature of the critical point 0, of the system dx over dt equals to 3x plus 4y, dy over dt equals to 3x plus 2y, and determine whether the critical point is stable or not. The given statement solution, the given statement is dx over dt equals to 3x plus 4y, dy over dt equals to 3x plus 2y. Equation 1. The given system of equation is of the form dx over dt equals to ax plus by, dy over dt equals to cx plus dy. Here a equals to 3 and b equals to 4, c equals to 3 and d equals to 2. Therefore, the characteristics equation lambda square minus a plus d into lambda plus ad minus bc equals to 0 becomes lambda square minus 5 lambda minus 6 equals to 0, which implies lambda plus 1 into lambda minus 6 equals to 0, which implies lambda equals to minus 1 and 6, which implies lambda 1 equals to minus 1, lambda 2 equals to 6. Roots of characteristics equations are real, unequal, and of the opposite sign. Therefore, the critical point is a saddle point. Since the roots are real, unequal, and of the opposite signs, therefore it is unstable.